Welcome to Health and Fitness with a new video. In today's video we will show you amazing benefits of peppermint leaves for skin, hair, and health. So watch the video till the end to get proper information. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Now let's begin. Peppermint, a popular herb known for its distinct aroma and medicinal value. It has greenish-purple lance-shaped leaves and a refreshing cool flavor. Due to its refreshing aroma, sharp menthol smell, and cooling sensation. It is often used in home products like bath preparations, mouthwashes, toothpaste, and ointments. Other than that, peppermint leaf powder is often used for flavoring beverages and other food items. They can also be part of salads and add flavor to drinks or even purified water. The compounds in the leaves are said to have therapeutic and medicinal properties. Peppermint leaves are available throughout the year and they are mostly in demand during the summer season due to their cooling effect. Let's see what are the peppermint leaves' uses. Natural remedy for cold and flu. Tired of sneezing all the time? Need a proper remedy to kill bacteria and viruses that cause our common yet frustrating cold. Peppermint leaves could be your savior. Why does it work? The menthol in these leaves thins mucus and eliminates phlegm, thus providing relief from a cough and congestion. Menthol is often used as a common ingredient in rubs used on the chest to relieve chest aches experienced during cold and flu. Mint has a calming and numbing effect. Brings down headache. Even a slight pain in the head can hamper your work. If all other home remedies including ginger tea haven't proved helpful, now is the time to try something new. Applying a mint-based balm on your forehead and watch yourself dozing off to sleep. Trust me, it works. Why does it work? The calming and soothing effect of peppermint makes it a suitable product for a quick relief against a headache. Also, the balm alleviates inflammation, preventing attacks from other conditions like migraines and flu. Peppermint leaf for weight loss. Did you ever think that having something tasty can help you shed weight? Mint is a flavor most people love. And chewing mint does help you lose weight. Why does it work? We already know that mint is a stimulant which triggers the release of proper digestive enzymes and aids proper digestion. This, in turn, helps in absorbing all the proper nutrients in the food that we consume and equally distributes fat in the body. Skin benefits. Maintenance of skin health. Peppermint leaves can help you get that smooth and shiny skin and maintain it as well. Why does it work? The nutrients in peppermint leaves help tone the skin, minimize pores, reduce swelling and restore skin elasticity. Vitamins A and C are powerful antioxidants that fight inflammation appearing in the form of red marks on the skin. B vitamins, riboflavin, and folate, brighten the complexion. These leaves can be powdered in sugar scrubs to have an invigorating effect on the skin. Herbal remedy for skin problems. Peppermint leaves are used as an ingredient in topical creams meant for treating a variety of skin issues like hives, rashes, poison oak or poison ivy. Application of these ointments has a soothing and healing effect on the skin. Why does it work? Being a natural ingredient, it is a no side effect option to all the skin troubles and preferred because of its soothing and cooling effect on the body. Hair benefits of peppermint leaves. Due to a healthy combination of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, peppermint leaves promote hair health. Here are the benefits it offers. Treatment of dandruff. A strong tea made from peppermint and nettle leaves can be used as a hair rinse to get rid of dandruff. It helps soothe the scalp and promotes hair growth too. Treatment of head lice. Due to the antibacterial properties of this herb, peppermint extract is effective in treating head lice infestation. According to people who use peppermint leaves for health, the results are impressive and efficient. Use it in. Share your opinion in the comment below. If you're new on the channel, then do subscribe the channel. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more tips, be sure to subscribe our channel because more incredible content on the way. Thank you for watching Health and Fitness.